Brought out in excellent condition. That's the Evelyn Porter, manufactured in Grantham, Lincolnshire. There we go, another Evelyn, a different kind of Evelyn. This is totally different to the other rollers. I should imagine it's a little bit older than the others. An Evelyn Porter, made in Rochester. Type is a DR. We'll let him get round to us, else we'll not be able to talk to him. But a lovely old thing. Different kind of steaming system. 2 flywheels, if you notice. And I would imagine the weight would be nearly 10 or 12 tons, something like that. I don't know, it's getting on a bit in weight. But we will talk to the man in a moment as we get nearer to the mic. And there's a good selection of steamers here for the show. In fact, there's a good selection of everything. Steamers,
the same company that made that steam roller in front, but this is a diesel roller. This was when Evelyn and Porter decided they needed to get into the internal combustion engine system. So they started to make these in 1928. This is 1932. It's got a single cylinder diesel engine in it. 13,178 cc, single cylinder. I started with this air bottle here.
Thank you for Graham Atkinson there with his super roller there, you know, something Evelyn roller. Now then, Peter, how is Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have an auction happening on site. If you are interested in bric-a-brac and buying, the auction is for a good charity. It's in the far field near the Auto Jungle section, and if you see a man in a white coat, he's the man that will be doing the auction. Through the gates at the top corner. I don't like to rush you over, but there's such a lot happening in the place, you know, we can't keep up with everything. But what a fantastic lineup of steamers we've got here, Pete. It's a good lineup, isn't it? It's a good lineup. And we've got a good show this year. With this sunshine, we needed one, didn't we? Yeah. Friday wasn't good, was it? But, hey, it's been fantastic. And these engines, enthusiastic enough to come in our small arena just to squeeze them in. And I'm sure we squeezed them in and you enjoyed it. Right, don't go away because we've got a band over there waiting to come in. But bearing in mind the auction, 2 o'clock, out that gate in the corner to the right, if you're interested, lads. Bit of money in your pocket, it's all for a good cause. I don't want everybody to disappear, we want to keep the show going in the arena. And we've got a fantastic band just waiting to come in the next few moments.